I had quite the fun experience this last Sunday while singing in our church choir. We have a big choir, and after COVID, it's been quite a journey to get the choir started again. And on Sunday, we were belting it out. We were really having fun singing to the congregation to get the congregation to singing with us. And you know what happened? My new smartphone buzzed on my arm. This is a new thing that I got this past week, and I haven't had the time to set all its settings. So the little smartphone, in its wisdom, was warning me about the noise that I'm surrounding me with. It told me that if I stay in this environment for a sustained period, I may damage my ears. And I had to have a chuckle, because here we were bringing a joyful noise, and it was really loud. But their technology is warning me against it. I just had a quiet moment and a nice chuckle. This made me think, isn't it fantastic sometimes to be in a place where you're just noisy and you're just joyful and you're just belting it out? And I really would want to recommend it to yourself as well. Maybe you can just laugh out loud for once in a blue moon, or maybe sing or do something that's really lifting yourself up, and it's just fun with a capital F. I really recommend it. When you can just let go and let the joy out, it's an amazing place to be. So have a joyful week this week, and remember, loud noises aren't always bad for you.